This video is all about GICs. The term GIC stands for Guaranteed Investment Certificate. It's a lower risk investment that guarantees you, the investor, interest on your money over a specific period of time. GICs are very common investments and can be held within your investment accounts, like your TFSA or RSP, for example. An example of a GIC might be a promo that you see online or through your bank where they're guaranteeing 3% interest for 3 years. Basically, what they're offering is that in exchange for your money, they're promising to pay you 3% interest on your investment every year for 3 years, guaranteed. The idea behind a GIC is that the company that's selling it to you is looking to use your money for another purpose. You could almost even compare it to a loan, for example, but in reverse. So instead of the bank lending you money, it's like you're lending the bank money for 3 years and charging them 3% interest. Now, unlike stocks, this investment is guaranteed. So you don't need to worry about markets fluctuating, and you can have peace of mind knowing that after the 3-year term, on top of the interest that you received, you'll get back all the money you initially invested. GICs do have some risk attached to them, and the biggest one is that your money's locked in. You can't access that investment until it comes due. Think of GICs as being very similar to contracts. The institution has agreed to pay you interest, and you've agreed not to touch your money. Now, in some cases, they may allow you to break that contract early, but it probably means you're going to be paying some type of a penalty. Nowadays, there's so many different GICs out there. You really want to do your research and make sure you're purchasing the one that best suits your needs. If you know you might need the money in the near term, but you're just not sure when, purchase something that's flexible and not locked in. Some questions that are really important to ask that you should know the answer to before you move forward are, is a GIC cashable or is it locked in? Is interest paid annually or at the end of the term? Is the interest rate that's promised guaranteed or could it fluctuate? And will the GIC automatically renew at the end of the term? This wraps up our video on GICs. The Independent Dollar is all about making personal finance easy. If there's topics that you're interested in, let us know by commenting below. And if this is your first time to our channel, click here so you don't miss any future videos.